What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is a video about me and my investment portfolio, what I'm doing on a daily basis, what am I involved in, and what are my income streams. A lot of people ask me all the time. I get unlimited DMs, I get unlimited messages asking me like, what is my passive income streams, what am I doing, how do I make so much money? And this channel's not even big, so like honestly I'm not making nothing from YouTube. I'm a product of my own companies and my own passive income streams. I do not make nothing off like YouTube videos. It's like I'm not one of these entrepreneurs out here on YouTube trying to sell you things, trying to do everything. I make YouTube videos because I want to make YouTube videos. At the end of the day, that's what I enjoy doing, and I like putting myself out there. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first, my first income stream is my biggest income stream. It's my most long-term company. It's my own personal company. I own a social media marketing agency where pretty much what I'm doing is I'm selling out my services that I have as like software services, marketing services, digital services, music services, anything that a person needs in terms of a social media service. They come to me and they pay me a monthly basis. I have an active clientele base. I can't give out numbers anymore because a lot of people are actually I'm getting to the point where I'm getting very big and a lot of people are trying to come after me, so I can't throw my numbers out there like I used to, but I could give you like the number amount of how much I'm currently making. So I'm making about $10,000 pretty comfortably. I was at the point where I scaled to $40,000 a month with this company. I actually had a lawsuit that I had to worry about. I had to worry about a lot of things, personal issues and stuff like that, so I had to scale it back. I know it's crazy scaling back from 10,000. Whoa, that's so crazy, but that's something that I had to do. So I mean, social media marketing agency, I'm making 10,000. I'm actually starting another company, another social media marketing agency that's going to generate about $2,000-$3,000. I'm not going to add it in this video because right now it's just an idea that's actually taking place like literally within the next few days. Hopefully we'll scale that company to like 5K a month first month. But right now those numbers are like pretty much speculative. That's not an actual income stream of mine, but it's going to be. But when it does, I'll let you guys know. I'll give you guys an update video. Second investment that I got going on, or a second passive stream of income, is Amazon automation. So I invested $25,000 into this company that's going to basically automate an Amazon store for me. So pretty much what that means is I'm not going to have to make a store. I don't have to worry about clients. I don't have to worry about fulfilling orders. They pretty much take care of every single thing in terms of the company, and they just give me the 50% split at the end of the day. From that company, first couple of months, I mean, I'm not going to even see any money until January 2021. That's when we start operations. So from January 2021 to forever. If you guys want a secondary video of me explaining the Amazon automation service, I'll be more than happy to do it. Right now I can't give the name of the company, no free brand deals, but right now I'm invested into them. We're starting operations January 2021, and at the peak of how much I'm probably going to be making is about $3,000 a month, and that's passive. I don't have to worry about a single thing. They take care of everything for me. So that's my other source of income. It's about $3,000 to $4,000 a month at its peak. So right now that's my second stream of income. The third stream of income that I recently just started is my mentorship program. So how I'm very good at marketing. I'm probably the #1 person when it comes to owning a marketing agency. I know every single thing about it, and I take care of my clients to the utmost best of my abilities. And that's something I'm very passionate about, and I wanted to teach it to other people. I'm actually losing money, so I'm scaling back my own personal marketing company and losing thousands of dollars just to teach this program to a specific group of other people. So I'm actually losing money to teach other people, but I think it's more pleasurable, and I like helping people and like helping changing their lives. I'm only doing it for one reason, and I want someone to tell me that they bought a car from my mentorship program. That's literally gonna change my life, and I'm not gonna stop. I tell all my students that I need you guys to win. I need you guys to hit the 6-figure mark, so one day you guys can buy a car and then you can thank me on a YouTube video or an Instagram post or something. So right now I'm making about $5,000 to $10,000 through my mentorship program. I'm actively running ads and pretty much have a funnel that is running. I have a team that is taking care of operations. So that's my mentorship program. I'm personally very hands-on with my mentorship program, so I love talking to my students. You would ask any of my students, I'm in the group chat. I'm throwing in sauce every single hour of the day. That's my other stream of income. I'm making about $5,000 to $10,000 with my mentorship program. And another venture I've been able to dive into thanks to my brother. My brother actually is really into cars. He has his own car wrapping detail shop. So what he's doing and I'm doing is we're pretty much collaborating on car flipping. So he's very good at cars. I don't know anything about cars, and I have a lot of money. So he said, yo, you want another opportunity to make money? I said yes. So now pretty much me and him are flipping cars. So you know, we'll buy a couple of cars and then flip them for a higher profit. You know, we'll do some cool like modifications or whatever he wants to do. He pretty much takes care of it. If you guys want a secondary video where he explains more of it, I mean, I'm down. But right now I'm making comfortably about $3,000 to $5,000 a month off the car flipping itself. Another income stream that I'm doing is drop shipping. I just started like a month ago. I'm not profitable right now. I get drop shipping. I know exactly what the business model is. I've had a drop shipping store before I even owned a marketing agency. I know how things are ran. I know how to season a pixel. I know how to, you know, do everything when it comes to a drop shipping store, how to find a winning product. Right now, I'm just not profitable. The main reason is because of the niche I'm in. I think that I want to scale another product, but honestly, all I have to do is find my right target audience. But once I do that, I'm going to scale like that day. So right now, you know, drop shipping, I'm pretty much not making a lot of money on. Actually probably negative, but I do believe in dropshipping long term, and I do believe in building an equity brand. Similar to my marketing agency, if I was to go to some rich investor right now and tell them, listen, I have this marketing agency that has this amount of data, this amount of sales coming out every month, you know, they'll be happily to give me $500,000 to $300,000 for my marketing company alone. Another thing that I'm investing into is stocks. I have a stock market portfolio. I invest into I have a Robinhood account. I invest into it. I mean, I don't make a lot of money. The stock market crashed like 10 times by the time I started investing into it. So I'm really not highly invested into the stock market. I literally just have like maybe 10% of my income every month going straight to Robinhood and straight to my investment portfolio. I probably lost $1,000. Yes, you heard that right. I probably, you know, I put in like 7,000 and I lost maybe $1,000. I thought things were gonna go higher, things gonna be better. Like Nikola, for example, everyone loves that stock. I invested at its peak like $500 and that dropped literally to basically zero. So I lost 90% of that. And a couple of other stocks that, you know, that just like, you know, didn't see its true potential. And, you know, I'm a long-term investor. I don't actually believe in, you know, quick flips and, you know, quick day trading, spike chart analytics, you know, like technical analysis. Like, I just believe in if I believe in a company, I'm gonna invest in it. My 28% of my portfolio is invested in Tesla because I believe in the company. I know what they're capable of. I know what they want to do long term. So those are the kind of companies I'm really invested into. Another one is Apple, Snapchat, Uber. I have all those companies and I have pretty large equity positions in those companies. So yeah, guys, that's my total portfolio of what I'm doing currently right now. I have a couple of other side ventures that I'm working on and I'm planning on building, but my main objective, you know, I don't like when a lot of people, you know, focus on different things and like, you know, try to expand their horizon as quick as possible. I want each of these, you know, revenue streams to hit $25,000 a month, like each of them making $25,000 a month consecutively, and then I'll be happy, and then I'll move into some other industries. But right now, I think that I'll focus onto these certain industries. I want to, you know, push forward for dropshipping, for example. I want to push forward with, you know, Amazon automation. I want to do these things and I want to take it seriously. But that's my whole life, you know. I took things very seriously in the beginning, and that's why they become successful. I don't quit. That's one thing that you gotta know about me. The word quit isn't in my dictionary. People think that, like, you know, eventually when something stops working, it's just a scam. You know, that's what people really, like, you know, love to say. They love to say that, like, you know, when something doesn't work, it's completely a scam. You shouldn't, you know, invest into it. I'm the other way around. You know, I see someone else making money and I know it's possible. And you know, I'm just probably not doing it correctly, and that's how I believe in it. You know, I tried Forex, I tried all these different, you know, little tactics and stuff like that. I lost thousands of dollars, but I do know other people are making consistent profits with it, and I'm not gonna sit here and bash them and tell them that they're a scam when I do know that people are actually, you know, getting their lives changed by those kind of industries. Personally, I'm not investing into it. I believe it's a high risk investment, and I don't recommend someone that has $1,000 to, you know, start Forex as soon as possible. My main objective, my main goal is to tell people that you want to build something that's going to hold equity one day and something that you could sell off. You can't sell off a Forex account. You can only, you know, make money, lose money, and then one day you just quit Forex and never see the account again. What I personally believe in is when you build an e-com store, when you build a social media marketing agency, that's an equity brand. That's something that you could sell off to an investor for like hundreds of thousands of dollars. So anything that I'm doing right now has equity in it. My mentorship program has equity in it. One day I could go sell it off to someone that wants to take over it and, you know, build operations from there. You know, I could sell my mentorship program for $100,000 probably right now because of the, you know, profit margins and how much it's scaling. So yeah, guys, these are some of my, little tips and tricks about how to invest and what I personally invest in when, it comes to like, entrepreneurship. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions and why I'm in the dark next to a piano, feel free to drop them below. I don't sleep at night. It's like currently like, 2:22 a.m. and I'm a grinder, man. I don't believe in the words relax, take a day off, calm down. Like you could go party, you could have your fun, I'm gonna have my fun and make money. Okay, I had this really good like quote that I put on my Instagram account. Everyone's stressed out, everyone's going through stuff, but I'd rather be going through stuff in an S-Class compared to someone that's going through stuff in a Honda. I'm just being honest. I'd rather go through things in a mansion than going through things in a little 1-bedroom studio apartment. Okay, I'm just being honest. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's the Trapper, and thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any other video ideas that you want me to post, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to make them. Thank you so much, and it's Ish. I'm out.